Well, this Buckle Up for Love business is more than for infants and children. It's for everybody. In fact, it's for the whole family. I am now with John Coles and his family. Tell me, John, how many children do you have?
There's 8 children in all.
And do you mean to say that you have seat belts for everybody in this van?
Yes, Bob, we do.
And you put them in yourself?
That's correct.
Wonderful. Well, let's take a look at this business of everybody buckling up for love. Let's go in and take a look. All right, is everybody buckled up?
Yeah!
All right then, let's take it away. If the Coles family with 8 children can all buckle up, then you can too. Buckle up for love.